Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to share a ritual about sorry guys, how to make your partner stick, how to keep your partner, how to make your partner stick on you. What we're going to need is empty bottle with a lid, of course, and then we're going to need again holy ashes. We all know it, you get it in any multi shop. We're going to need again a pen, any color is fine, and then we're gonna need a blank white paper with no lines. Firstly, what we are going to do, guys, you will take your paper, write your partner's names. Let me write my names. Three times on that paper. Okay. When you're done, guys, when you're done writing, what you're going to do is you're going to take this paper, put holy ashes like this. Here's the holy ashes on top of the paper. Sprinkle around the paper, and then you're gonna fold the paper like this. I hope you can see me clearly, guys. With the holy ashes in. This is the paper you wrote your partner's names, and there are holy ashes inside. And then you take the bottle, open it, you take that paper with names and holy ashes, put it inside the bottle, and you're gonna add water. Not too much water. You don't need to fill up the bottle. And then you close it. You close it tight, guys. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to shake it and speak. You can see the water is like milk because there is holy ashes in that paper. You're going to call his or her names while you're shaking the bottle. You speak. You're calling him. You're making him stick to you, him or her. Let me not just say him only, because this can be done by both males and females. You're going to call your partner's names, and then after that, when you are satisfied speaking, you're gonna go outside your yard by the crossroad. You're going to the crossroad. This is preferably gonna be done in the mornings or in the evenings, when people cannot see you. You're shaking it, and then when you get at the crossroads, you open it. This paper, obviously, it is in pieces, as you can see. It's no longer a big paper like before. And then you're gonna throw this water in the middle of the crossroad, and you go back home without greeting anyone, without looking back. That's why you're supposed to do it when it's quiet in the morning or in the evenings, when there's no up and downs in the street where you're gonna meet people, they're gonna call you and stuff. And this, the restrictions of this, it must not be done when we are on your periods, ladies. It must not be done when you just had sex. Please, if you're on your period, you wait until you finish up, and then you can perform this it's going to work for you. Please, if you just had sex, wait at least 3 to 4 days and then gonna perform this, because if you can just do it on your period on exactly after sex, it may not work for you. You might come and comment negatively, of which is not what we want. Thank you all of you for the positive comments, for the testimonies. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more videos. Thank you. Bye until my next upload.